Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make banana porridge, Jamaican style. I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is all the ingredients you need to make the porridge. So right here, I have my green bananas. I'll be using 5. Over here, I have Lasco milk. It is a powdered milk. You can use whatever milk that you drink. Okay, I have nutmegs over here. I have my salt. I have my vanilla. I have brown sugar. And I have 1 cup of flour. Okay guys, so now I've added 3 800 ml of water inside the pot. And I turn it up on high, and I'm just gonna leave this until it starts to boil. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead right now and wash my bananas and get them peeled so I can cut them up. So right now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my bananas into small pieces so that I can blend it. So guys, as you can see, I cut up my bananas and I'm gonna go ahead and go blend this. Okay guys, so now that we have blended the banana, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside of the boiling water. Just want to continue to stir because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so just stir.
To stir it lightly so that it doesn't burn at the bottom.
Guys, I love porridge, you know, especially banana porridge. Porridge too nice. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put a corkful of vanilla. And then we're gonna go ahead and grate some of this. We're gonna grate some nutmeg inside. Okay guys, so while that is boiling, I'm just gonna go ahead with my Lasco milk, my Lasco powdered milk. I'm just gonna go ahead, get some of my cup. And then guys, I'm gonna add water. Remember, you gotta keep stirring the pot so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my powdered milk. Now I'm just stirring in that milk. Okay guys, so when you've added your milk, you just have to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. And then after like 5 minutes, then you're just gonna go in with your salt. Just add a chips of salt. Okay. Then continue to stir some more. Then I'm gonna go ahead right now and add my sugar. The amount of sugar depends on how sweet you want it. So I want it to be sweet, so I'm adding just a little bit more. So there you have it guys, banana porridge. So remember, green bananas, not ripe ones. Maybe you could use the ripe ones, but I'm not sure. But that's how you make banana porridge. Thanks for watching.